Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Altaf. Today's topic is very interesting and useful. We are going to learn small talk starters that will help you speak English naturally.
Yes, small talk is the key to starting conversations with confidence. Many learners feel shy or nervous, but when you know some simple and natural sentences, you can start speaking easily with anyone.
Let's begin with the most common small talk starter. How are you? It's short, polite, and works everywhere.
And you can reply in different ways, like, I'm fine, thank you, or I'm doing well, how about you?
Another great starter is, how's your day going? It shows you care about the person and want to talk more.
Yes, and the reply could be, it's going well, thanks, or it's been a busy day, but I'm good.
Here's another one. What's new with you? This works when you meet a friend or someone you already know.
Exactly. The person might answer, not much, just working, or I started a new project recently.
Weather is always a safe and friendly topic. You can say, it's a beautiful day today, or it looks like it's going to rain.
And the other person may reply, yes, it's really sunny, or I hope it doesn't rain too much. This is how native speakers start talking naturally.
Another useful small talk starter is about location. For example, do you live around here? Or is this your first time here?
Good point. And people usually answer with simple sentences like, yes, I live nearby, or no, I just came for the first time.
Let's also talk about work or study. You can ask, what do you do? Or are you a student?
Yes, and if someone asks you, you can answer, I work in an office.
Food is another great topic. You can say, have you tried this restaurant? Or do you like coffee or tea?
That's true. The reply could be, yes, the food here is delicious, or I prefer tea over coffee.
Now let's practice small talk with hobbies. You can ask, what do you like to do in your free time?
And you might hear answers like, I like reading books, or I enjoy playing football.
When you meet someone for the first time, asking about their weekend is nice. You can say, how was your weekend?
And they can reply, it was great, I went to the park, or it was okay, I just stayed home and relaxed.
Another one is asking about travel. For example, do you like traveling? Or have you been anywhere recently?
That's a good way to open a conversation. Replies can be, yes, I love traveling, or I went to the mountains last month.
Also, when you want to connect with people, talk about entertainment. For example, have you watched any good movies lately?
Yes, and they may answer, yes, I watched a comedy last night, or no, I haven't watched anything recently.
Music is another easy starter. You can say, what kind of music do you like?
And people usually reply, I like pop music, or I enjoy listening to classical songs.
Sports also work well. You can ask, do you play any sports? Or which team do you support?
Yes, and the answer might be, I play cricket, or I support my local football team.
Another natural starter is asking about plans. You can say, do you have any plans for the weekend?
And the answer could be, yes, I'm going shopping, or no, I just want to relax at home.
Now let's try combining small talk. For example, you start with, how are you? Then move to, did you do anything fun yesterday?
Yes, that's how you build a conversation step by step. The other person may reply, yes, I went out with friends, and then you can ask more questions.
Small talk is not about deep topics. It's about being friendly, polite, and making people feel comfortable.
That's right, and when you practice these small talk starters, you will sound more natural. just like native speakers.
So let's quickly review. We learned small talk about greetings, weather, location, work, study, food, hobbies, weekends, travel, entertainment, music, sports, and weekend plans.
Yes, and we also practiced how to reply naturally. For example, not only saying I'm fine, but also adding more information like I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
Exactly. That makes the conversation continue smoothly.
So what we have learned in this video is clear. Small talk starters are powerful tools to speak English naturally.
Practice them every day. Use them when you meet people, and soon you will feel confident in starting conversations.
Keep practicing with us and you will improve step by step. This is how you will learn to speak English fast and naturally.